like to say a huge thanks to Miss Neetu Rishi.
Beautiful, generous, kind-hearted.
She is a leader.
She's my mentor.
My pageant coach.
Everybody who's watching this, please get coached by her if you want to win the crown.
Hi, what an incredible fashion show pulled out by the Success Door and Neetu Rishi. Hats off to all the preparations, it's been months of preparations going on, and the final to final rehearsals on last 2-3 days. The type of mentoring that has been given to the participants also is fabulous. So very fortunate to be part of this show and being a photographer, and thank you for all the designers and the people who support us. Thank you, Neetu, and the whole team of incredible models for bringing such a great show. Best of luck for Neetu as well as the Success Door. Thank you.